Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw crypto from MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do is once you're on your official MEXC, you will just have to click the login button here, and of course log in with your correct credentials so that you will be able to log in successfully. And once you're here, once you've logged in, you should see the wallet feature here. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click that and then go to withdraw, and then after that you will choose the crypto that you would want to withdraw and then click withdraw again. And then of course you will have to paste the recipient wallet address and carefully enter the amount. Review transaction fees and network use, and you will have to complete the 2FA authentication and click confirm. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, and your funds should arrive in the destination wallet shortly. And by the way, you should double check addresses and networks so that you will be able to avoid mistakes. Blockchain transactions cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.